Dear employer, you're receiving this from your employee, who I represent fully when I say, my 2 weeks notice starts now! I quit, 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 I quit. Oh, and what am I doing now? Well, I don't have to answer those questions anymore, but I will tell you it's more rewarding, fulfilling, and enjoyable. It's called my life! I quit, 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 I quit. Oh yeah, you can take this job and you know, you can take this job and you know, oh, chickaboo, chickaboo, my days are mine, my days are mine, my life is mine, oh yeah, my life.